everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel again. It's me, Nui, and it's been a long time that I haven't updated anything from my YouTube channel because now I start working again. So today I'm going to take you guys to Louis Vuitton store in Vienna, and I have ordered some product from the Christmas animation, and we will have a look together what I got from the store. So see you guys. So right now I'm home and I would like to show you what I ordered. I actually didn't order that much from this Christmas animation this year because last year I have ordered so many mini pochette and some wallet, but after Christmas I didn't use it anymore. And I started to sell some of the mini pochette that I got. So that's why this year I decided not to get too many pieces that is not necessary. So let's have a look together now. It's gonna be this one. This is the piece that is, I think, is quite famous and it's very cute. Vivienne is in Vendôme in Paris, and I think it's very cute. Yeah. At first, I have an eye on the pochette Felicity, but I'm afraid that the cover of the pochette is gonna be bending and it's not gonna look beautiful after you use it for a while. That's why I decided to get only small piece this year. And this one, it costs 280 euro. And the interior inside the key pouch is pink. It's very beautiful and it's made in France. I would like to show you the key pouch, the normal one. The size is the same. If you are concerned if the key pouch has the same size or not, I can tell you that the size is the same. And I also got this one. I really like everything about Japan. So I got the Tokyo Ginza. At first, I would like to get round coin purse because it's the piece that maybe for collecting item. But then I don't really use the round coin purse that much from the multi pochette. That's why I decided to get only this keyring. I think it's very cute. And I would like to show you the old one that I got from last year. This one is very cute. It's my favorite one from Japan, Vivienne in Japan. And I don't think that I'm going to sell it because it's a very rare item and I love pink so much. But telling you the truth, I haven't used it that much. And the quality is very good. If you are concerned that the color is gonna peel, so far so good. Yeah, I have no problem with the color is fading away. And I still have this one, the wallet. What do they call that? I forgot. Yeah, this one is still good. Yeah, but I don't really get a chance to use it that much. But I still love this piece, Vivienne in Japan. No, in China. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope that you will enjoy the video and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.